Today we have come with a simple, delicious aromatic sambar recipe. If you like our recipes, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified. Let's start with the recipe. Wash and soak some tamarind in water. Take 2/3 cups of tur dal. Wash the tur dal and add it to a pressure cooker. In the same cup that we have taken tur dal, add 4 cups of water. Add salt as per taste. Here I have added half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tomato that is roughly chopped, and 2 to 3 slit green chilies. Pressure cook all this on high flame for 1 whistle, then lower the flame and cook it for another 2 whistles. Now let's cook the vegetables. I have taken 2 to 3 drumstick, which I have cut into finger size, 1 potato which is peeled and cut into cubes. All the vegetables except the drumstick is cut into cubes to make a sambar. Then 1 brinjal, 1 yam and a small piece of pumpkin. Then 8 sambar onions or shallots. All the vegetables that I've cut, I added it into water so that they don't turn dark. Now let's cook the vegetables. Add the vegetables to a pan. Add in water, cover and cook these vegetables. We have not added ladyfinger to this vegetable yet because ladyfinger is very sticky and you need to fry it before adding. So I've taken 6 ladyfinger and I have cut into small pieces. In a pan, I'm going to heat oil and add the pieces of ladyfinger to this and fry it. Now see, the ladyfingers are almost fried and the vegetables also cooked 50%. At this time, I'm going to add the ladyfinger to the vegetables and cook it. Strain the tamarind that we soaked to remove the pulp. Divide this pulp into 2 bowls. We are doing this so that we can check the sourness and add tamarind as and when required. So to 1 bowl of this tamarind pulp, add in 2.5 tablespoons of the sambar powder that we have made at home. The link is given in the description box. Also click the I button to get the link. Mix this together to a smooth paste. Now the paste is ready. Keep it aside and let's move on to the next step. Heat a pan and add in half teaspoon of oil. To this add half teaspoon of crushed garlic and saute it for a minute. Add 1 small chopped onion. Saute the onion till it lightly changes color. Now our onions are sauteed nicely. Add in half tablespoon of coriander powder and 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder. Saute this till the raw smell of the coriander and the chilli powder goes off. Now add the tamarind paste that we have made and mix it with this masala. Add around half cup of water. Mix it all together and let it come to a boil. So see, our masala is done. The cooker has also cooled. Let's open the cooker. Our dal is cooked perfectly. Just give it a mix. Now to this dal, we are going to add the masala that we prepared. Give it a mix and add the cooked vegetables. Here we have Just cook the vegetables. You don't need to overcook the vegetables, otherwise it will turn mushy. Along with the cooked vegetables, add the water that the vegetables were cooked in. Give it a nice mix and let all this come to a boil for 2 to 3 minutes. At this stage, check for the sourness and salt. If you feel that the sourness is less, add in some tamarind water that we had kept earlier, and also balance the salt as per your liking. Take the salt, and I feel little more is needed, so I've added little more salt and let all this come to a boil. Till then we'll prepare the tadka. In a pan, heat in 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the oil is heated up, add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds splutter, add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 1/8 teaspoon or a pinch of hing or asafoetida. We have added this to the sambar powder, but I add a pinch extra, few curry leaves and few dry red chilies. Saute all this together and add it to the sambar. Now our sambar is ready. Serve it hot with rice, idli or dosa. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you get notified. Thanks for watching.